Leetcode problems the easy way. Today, we're tackling Leetcode 58, length of the last word. This problem, short and sweet. The task is simple. You're given a string as consider word and space, which may include leading and trailing space. Return the length of the last word. For example, the last word in this string is word and this length is 5. The length of moon, the last word in this string is 4. The steps are simple. First, remove leading and trailing spaces from the string. Second, break the string into a list of words. Third, get the last word. And finally, get its length. Look at the second example below. Given the string as fly me to the moon. So step 1, remove the trailing space and it will become fly me to the moon. Next, we will break this string to a list of words. Fly me to the moon. Third, we get the last word in the list, which is moon. And lastly, we calculate its length, which is 4, and we return 4. Translate these steps into Python code. String as strip all the trailing spaces. Next, we split into a list of words and retrieve the last word in the list. Now we need to get the length of this word using the function length. Let's practice writing this one more time. Strip all the trailing spaces, then split it into a list of words, then retrieve the last word in the list and get its length. And that is the result. No need for loops, just a clean one-liner. Short and sweet. And we're done. That was fast, clean, and straight to the point, the Pythonic way. Let's hit the submit button. Boom, one shot accepted. If that helped you simplify this problem, drop a like and subscribe for more easy to follow work.